This is the Lenovo Yoga S730. The Yoga S730 is Lenovo's thinnest yoga to date. This Lenovo notebook is only 11.9 millimeters thin. It's also light at only 1.1 kilograms. Out of the box, the Yoga S730 comes with a warranty guide and a 65-watt laptop charger. This portable machine runs on Windows 10 Home. The Lenovo Yoga S730 comes powered by an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Like other laptops from the Yoga line, the S730 is flexible and can open up to 180 degrees. The S730 also has a fingerprint scanner for quick and easy login.